Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check deleted messages on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, of course, go to your Instagram app and navigate to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to your activity. From here, scroll down until you find download your information and then click that. And then just click your profile and then tap on request a download. So this will allow you to request a copy of all your information, including your deleted messages. So just choose your Instagram account and then tap next. In here, you have the option to download a complete copy or just specific types of information. I'm selecting the latter because what we need is just the deleted messages. So right here in this page, just check the messages and tap next. And then click submit request. So once your information is ready, you can download your data directly from this page. And that's how you can easily check deleted messages on our Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!